are sets of buttons that allow a user to interact with your charts. They can use slicers to select only the regions that they want to see, for example. Here, if I just wanted to see Australia, I can click on Australia, and only that series is shown. If I wanted to show New Zealand as well, I could hold Control and click on New Zealand, and I could add France as well by holding Control and clicking on France. You can also hold Shift if you want to select all of them, or hold Shift to select some of them. So this can be really useful and make a chart look really professional and more engaging. To create this, it's quite easy. However, you do firstly need to put your data into something called an Excel table. And to do that, all you have to do is click somewhere in your data and go to Insert and then Table, or use the shortcut Control T. Here, my table does have headers, so that's all good. And it's that easy. Now, if we click somewhere on our chart, we can go to Insert and then Slicer. And we want to slice by region. Now, this will come with a border around it. So a useful trick here is to just put a similar border around your chart and match them up just by dragging them to the same cells to make them look professional. Take a little bit of tweaking, but worth it in the end. And it will end up looking something like this. It's useful to put your Excel table below your chart because as you select things on and off, it's going to hide those rows, and you don't want that to be above your chart, or these will move around relative to each other.